mga kaidol, handa tayo ng breakfast natin para healthy. Ayan mga kaidol, ang breakfast natin with pasta. Walang rice yan, walang rice sa umaga. Walang rice. Mga idol, itong sauce nya, ito yung sauce nya mga idol. Video yun.
Scrunchies I'm wearing right now, and as I pull and I pull, it won't break. Why am I breaking them?
The Hooper was right on his side.
Brett, he's out! Oh, I left my whistle at home. Play on! What? Wait, he's about to pass! Steal it! Oh yeah! Oh, sorry coach, my hands are cold! Why is it 56 degrees in here? And is this kid the main character? Why is everything going his way? Where is it? Oh.
The Hooper was right on his side.
Di man siya ko magtago-tago ba kung nalang ko pagbayad sa kong utang?
Asa yung ka ni bayhana ni ba? Naniya, pinangita aning bayhana ni bayad bang utang o dili? Nagandaganan yung ko. Itong bayhana to. Sure pa to. Itago ito.
Ayan na mga breakfast natin mga kaidol. Na may nag-atang. Kain mga kaidol.